Hello, Capricorn, and welcome to Are You Ready Tarot. My name is Jennifer, and today I will be doing your October monthly message. We're going to find out what the month of October has in store for you. Let's pull some letters and see. We have R, X, T, C, Y, J, O, D, L, and M. Okay, let's see. Robert, I'm seeing X-ray. Some of you could be getting X-rays. Jody, Tom, Claude, Malcolm, Michigan, Oscar, Tom, Tim, Denver, Lennox, Lynx, Lexus, Donnie, Dawn, Rachel, Raphael, Joe. Okay. This is the word that's sticking out to me. Old. Something's getting old to you. Capricorn, something is getting old. Something is being told to you, but something is getting old too. Like, you tired of hearing it. Old news is what I'm hearing. Let's see what's going on, Capricorn, for you for the month of October. Old news, old story. Something that's being told to you, been told to you many times. A lot of chatter I'm hearing, a lot of chatter around you. We have peacock and quail. So beware of great pride. Get back to the basics. Table, hard work ahead. We have ladder, climbing towards success, and butterfly, a change for the better. We have reef at the bottom of the deck, sorrow over a loss. So let's see what's going on. Heavenly Father, what's the message for Capricorn for the month of October? Let's find out what's going on, Capricorn. Capricorn, I feel like somebody don't like your confidence is what I'm getting. Someone don't like your confidence. Oh, let's get butterfly. So, Heavenly Father, what do Capricorn need to know in regards to this peacock? Beware of great pride. What do Capricorn need to know? The Ace of Pentacles. The Nine of Wands. And the Nine of Pentacles. Capricorn, I feel like you're on top of the world. I feel like great things are happening for you. Great things. You are very successful. You did things on your own. Like you stood your ground. But I'm hearing like, don't be too prideful. Don't boast too much. Don't do a lot of boasting. That could have been told to you. I also feel like, you know, it's old news. You're tired of hearing people say stop being happy, you know, for your successes. Like, you're telling your success story and people take it as boastfulness. Let's get one more. What do Capricorn need to know? We have the Hangman. So, yeah, it's like, you may need to see where people are coming from. People might take your excitement for your success as being boastful. So it's just like, beware of who you talk to, who you tell your success to. I'm also getting like some people aren't happy that you're successful. Quail, get back to the basics. Let's see. What do Capricorn need to know in regards to get back to the basics? Three of Pentacles. The Tower. Four of Pentacles. Okay. Capricorn, I'm getting that like you need to remember where you come from. This boastfulness might bring forth a tower moment, and I don't know, it's like something to do with your security. Penny pinching is what I'm hearing. It's like a collaboration could be in jeopardy, or an investment of yours could be in jeopardy. It's like get back to the basics, get back to who you were before this amazing opportunity was given to you. Clarified table and hard work. Page of Cups, Three of Cups, Five of Swords. Yeah, Capricorn, I'm getting that, like, I'm hearing go back to the drawing board. It's like this great success will become a burden to you if you do not remember why you started it all. Yes, Capricorn, you've been through a lot. You overcame a lot. You've been through a lot of trials and tribulations, but remember why you started. Remember where you came from is what I'm getting. Remember where you came from. We have ladder, climbing towards success. Ten of Swords. Yeah, you've been through a lot. You've overcome a lot. Five of Cups. Page of Wands. Yeah, you have a breakthrough. It's a breakthrough. You found the key to success. You've opened the door to new opportunities for yourself. You've been through a lot, but it's like, remember where you came from. And it's also saying, like, you've climbed the ladder towards success. You've done it with hard work, with dedication. But it's also like a lot of grief and a lot of sorrow, a lot of pain in the process. But it's changed you. It's something, you have a change. You're evolving, is what I'm hearing. It's like hard work. You've done the hard work. You excelled in many things. Somewhere along the way, you forgot where you came from, your goals and what you was trying to achieve is what I'm getting. And it's like you may have had to start over. It might have been a tower moment in your life that made you start back, go back to the beginning. But you worked through it. What is this butterfly? A change for the better. I feel like you having to start over made you a better person. Like this pridefulness, this peacock, it might have changed your way of thinking. Two of Swords. Ace of Swords. And a Four Four of Wands. Yeah. This butterfly, you changed the way you think about things. You found some kind of clarity. I feel like you realized that you don't have to boast about what you have accomplished. People see it. People see you celebrating. People can see your happiness. You don't have to show it. You're glowing from the inside. So you don't have to speak on what you have. People already see what you have. You don't, it's like you don't have to be told. People can see it. People see it in you. That's what I'm hearing. Heavenly Father, what else do Capricorn need to know for the month of October? I feel like you've had to start over, but you were able to. Like, you got back down to the nitty-gritty of who you are inside. You may have lost yourself for a little while, but you're right back on track now. A changed person. You have evolved, elevated. We have garden, public, network, group, audience, fame, outdoors. You know. You don't have to boast about what you have. People know it. We have clouds, confusion, negativity, unclarity, doubt, worry, uncertainty. Like, that's a thing of the past. You may have felt like you had to boast about what you accomplished in the past because you people doubted you. So you had to let them know. I'm hearing I told you. You know, that could have been what you were saying. I told you. I could do this. I told you. But you realize you don't have to do that. It's all good. We have bear, power, boss, courage, leadership, finances, protection. It's like you know who you are now. You know that you are powerful. You know you are a boss. You know you're a leader. You don't have to boast about what you have. You are in a position where you can show others how to get where you are. You're not in competition is what I'm hearing. What else do Capricorn need to know? Message for Capricorn for the month of October. Thank you. We have Fox. Selfishness, trickery, wrongness, clever, suspicion, caution. So, like being selfish, I feel like that's never who you was. Like, you're not a selfish person, but people perceived you as such. But you have matured with this lily. Old age, maturity, peace, virtue, wisdom, retirement. Like, you realize you don't have to boast. You don't have to say what you have, what you've been through. It's like people know. And when people know, you don't have to, you don't have to say anything. That comes with maturity, wisdom. You've learned from the past. You could be also teaching others this. But they don't have to boast about what they have. What's the overall outcome for Capricorn? What's the overall outcome for Capricorn, Heavenly Father? Overall outcome for Capricorn for the month of October. Thank you. Reconciliation. Going back to who you were. You know, this is a oneness with yourself. I'm also feeling like this is healing, doing healing, confidence. That kind of confidence that you don't have to say what you have. You know, it's like you don't have to prove anything to anybody. Is what I'm hearing, Capricorn. What else? And protection. Yep, that's that bear. Power, boss, leadership. Psychic abilities. At the bottom of the deck. You are protected. Things are good. It's a transformation. You are flourishing. Yeah, Capricorn, you know what it is. You don't have to tell nobody. That's what I'm hearing. You know what it is. You know who has you covered. And you don't have to explain it or tell it to anybody, is what I'm hearing. So Capricorn, that's your message. Thank you all for joining me. If this message resonated, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new messages. I want to thank you all for joining me. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to spend with me. Thank you so much. Like I said, I am doing personal readings. If you would like one, the information is in my in a community post. I wish y'all all blessings and happiness. Until next time, Capricorn, be blessed.